If you are looking to buy a flagship phone and you live in India, the OnePlus 8 Pro has to be an option you're looking at. In this video, I take you through what you can expect if you decide to buy a OnePlus 8 Pro. Hey there, I'm Johan and you're watching JBS Tech Essentials, where I take you through everything you need to know about all things tech. So before we get into the unboxing experience of the OnePlus 8 Pro, you need to know where to get it and what you can expect when you get there. So there are three ways you can buy the OnePlus 8 Pro. One, on their official OnePlus website, link in the description below. Secondly, Amazon sells it. And thirdly, they have a list of offline partners that you can find on their website. So the OnePlus 8 Pro launched on the 24th of April this year, right in the center of the COVID-19 pandemic. And it launched officially in India on the 15th of June, going on sale on their website. Within a few seconds of it being sold, it was sold out. So if you're looking to buy a OnePlus 8 Pro, the best option is to look at your nearest offline store, or you can look out at their website. I think they're dropping a sale every 3 to 4 days. But watch out, every time they drop a sale, it's 12 p.m. and stocks last for less than a few minutes. So once you've got your OnePlus 8 Pro ordered, this is what you can expect to receive. So you'll receive a brown OnePlus box with a message that says, "We have a special delivery for you." Inside, you should find a box in the typical OnePlus red with the number 8 on it. So I've got the Onyx Black color variant with the 12 GB RAM and the 256 GB storage. Opening the box, you're going to first be greeted by the wrapped phone. So keeping that aside for a minute, inside the shell holding the phone, you will find a card for the Red Cable Club. You'll also find some OnePlus stickers, a quick start guide, some safety information, and an invitation letter to join the OnePlus community app from Pete Lau, the CEO of OnePlus. You also get information on the plastic used and some radiation information. Inside this shell, you'll also find your standard SIM ejector tool. Also in the box is the clear TPU case with the OnePlus Never Settle embossing. You get a 1 meter USB-A to USB-C red OnePlus cable, and under the Warp Charge logo, you will find your 30-watt Warp wall charger. So now that we've gotten everything out of the box, let's take a look at the phone. So my first reaction looking at the phone is that the back is extremely glossy and reflective, and would be a huge fingerprint magnet. I would have preferred a different matte finish, and you do get that with the ultramarine blue and the glacial green variants, but it didn't really matter for me because I knew I was going to put a case on it and almost never see the back of the phone again. So turning on the phone for the first time, this is the animation you'll be greeted with. The screen looks absolutely amazing, and OnePlus has knocked it out of the park with their new screen. This screen looks as good as any top of the line screen that Samsung has been famous for over the years. So there you have it. That's the whole unboxing experience of the OnePlus 8 Pro. So if you like what you saw today, remember to hit that like button. I also picked up for myself the OnePlus Warp wireless charger and the OnePlus Warp car charger. For reviews, unboxing, and my thought on the actual OnePlus 8 Pro, remember to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned to my channel. Until next time, this is Johan and you've been watching JBS Tech Essentials. See you soon.